Indices. Today's learning objective is I will be able to write numbers in index notation. So our key points are that index notation is used to show repeated multiplication. So if I had something like this, we would say that as 2 squared. That means 2 times 2. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the power of 4. So once you go past squared and cubed, you just say to the power of. So 2 to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we refer to this 2 as being the base number. That's the number that you are multiplying. Okay, this is called the index. So that tells you how many times you are multiplying the base number by itself. Okay, so I've got some questions here, some examples. Rewrite using index notation. So I've got 4 is my base number. And how many times am I timesing it by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write this as 4 to the power of 5. Now we can use letters as well. There could be more than one letter. So we do it one thing at a time. So I've got B's here. I'm going to do them first. So I've got B as my base. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the power of 4. And then I've got C. 1, 2, squared. So b to the 4c squared. That's how I would simplify this one. Okay, so I've got 2 questions for you to do here. Press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Okay, so your base number is 2 and you are timesing it by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, here you've got all D's. So D is our base number, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D to the power of 6. Okay, so I've got 6 practice questions for you to do. Press pause, have a go, and then we will go through them. Okay, hopefully you got those correct. We're going to look at our next examples. Okay, this time you are asked to square a fraction. So that might seem difficult, but it's not. So all you have to do is raise each part of the fraction to the power. So raise numerator to the power. Raise the denominator to the power. And then you find the values. Okay, so what I mean by that, we raise the numerator to the power. So the numerator is 2, the power is 2, so we get 2 squared. Still a fraction, so we do our fraction line, and we raise the denominator 5 to the power of 2 as well. Find the values means What is 2 squared? 4. What is 5 squared? 25. So we get 4 over 25. Okay, have one for you to do. Press pause, have a go, and we'll go through it. Okay, so we've raised the denominator to the power, so it becomes 2 squared. Raise the denominator to the power, and we get 4 over 9. Okay, hopefully you got that correct. I've got 8 of these for you to try now, so press pause, have a go, and then we'll go through them. Okay, hopefully you got all of those correct.